Let's dance and learn colors in the jungle. Ready? Let's go! Momo found a red balloon floating high up to the moon. Red, red, and dance with me. Everyone shouts out happily.
Lulu flaps her wings so blue, singing loud, how do you do? Blue like sky and oceans too. Let's all dance like Lulu.
Toto spins, his shell is green. Cutest turtle ever seen. Green like grass and jungle trees. Dance like turtles, slow with ease.
Zazu roars, his fur is yellow. Soft and bright, this lovely fellow. Yellow sun up in the sky. Let's jump